Well, and wala bana rach katong nath kana talk English. Today we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves in English and also in talk nath. Learn English and talk nath. Bana rach katong nath talk nath. Bana rach katong nath kana talk English. I prepared something here that I'm going to read out loud. How to introduce yourself in English. Hello, my name is Gadwich. I am 36 years old and I was born in Gambela. I am Togna's teacher, passionate about teaching and preserving our beautiful language and culture. In my free time, I enjoy reading Tognath novels as they help me connect deeply with our rich traditions and stories. I also love sharing knowledge, meeting new people, and learning from different experiences. It is my pleasure to meet you, and I look forward to getting to know you better. Jin mugur ladu rodu kenyam bi kontu ke o eldo bi shodu bijalar bi shodu lar gwada dap jitin bi lar ka wuji dan dap jitin bu ka mandana la your profession bi nyokolat ana bi men nogi body lat bi nyok lat gwasame ala men nogi en ode yaladi bita dan dong di radin deri de jingai ke je bi shulat gwasame na me pan luni o deri gor ki de rodu nge ke jaga jo de shular ne nyok be nyok ma kwana ja. Hello, my name is Gadwich. I am 36 years old and I was born in Gambela. I am a Tognath teacher passionate about teaching and preserving our beautiful language and culture. In my free time, I enjoy reading Tognath novels as they help me connect deeply with our rich traditions and stories. I also love sharing knowledge and meeting new people and learning from different experiences. It is a pleasure to meet you and I look forward to getting to know you better. Ni goron o bijon ka mukweni je nyoko dara kulil shublo dugwa men yam men bangach mukweni ni chiang kwene dor bi nyok ka bi nyok bi je nyok ki bran bi kar gwa dana ke dotin mo be jaga ja ngaji mone take ngwan her yalka gwasame ka jan introduction pai kono lat gwasame word about yourself reiterate ka kwidu men ladu rodu men yam chale introduction muguru jeno jinde rod lana ngumbeler bi kon ngajeno de lar de kenyam how to be able to present yourself to others. Generally introduction or key introduce. Broad lat introduce. Ladu karodu. Milarino, my name is Gadwich. Okay. I am 36 years old and I was born in Gambela. Namo ladini rodu. Okay. Number 2, passionate. Something that you have a strong feeling or enthusiasm with. Okay, mnogomon o dera lede chenta uchachular gwasame. I am Togna's teacher, passionate about teaching and preserving our beautiful language and culture. Chienenta gwas menogalung no dena let. Cha teacher chap kamra gwatame ko janda lanangi. Teacher lud ningich. Passionate menogloid je introduce a ladu karodu. Anong di chode larna. Me shawe mishi laro en teacher ki en ngich ki any michi toktene your profession ichi toktena chirka gwaz michi lar gwaz me no teacher malode a person who help others learn rame jange ite ko kien ko bikan dwar bikan angach ajen chala teacher rame ngich mera dian gwaz me ka ken ko these are like vocabulary ti ko na kamra gwaz me preserve ngolodamo. Preserve means to keep something in its original state or protect it. Megang dwor lo charo da begere jen chal preserve. Megang kon culture and a charge bulun ke gere ku kon preserve ni ye. We are preserving our culture ko chebubat ke charoda bigger. Culture lo na siang dana siang kana, the custom, tradition and social behaviors of a group. Ana ta dana siang kana ito man siang karudin kaje ngot kien ta duarien manu kwan kien ta dan tekeke chwale culture. The custom, tradition and social behavior of a group, it is called culture. Number 6, language. Language jen atogodan rakeji, a system of communication using word. Raja rakeji gana wajana duwar mishalat ko buduwar bielar ba nyog lo jarama mi. Jen kwal cholo no a system of communicating with others or a system communication using word. Biriet bielar word lo neriet, do raja gana kaje na mo shwale di shwale language. Chet kanwere raiken katogodian raiken katog na. Number 7, novel. Novel can a long fictional story written in book form. Jen na micha gor ala book. Jen chwal novel one. There are story kenyu kon alar leng kana rwandi ko kien tato kunu ke novel. Leng o kon ke me dong te mi cho la de chine mate na korona me na ke chate na nying no ka ke rwani tato ticha gor ka book ba cholde ba cholo novel men rwani tela fictional ticha ken tichiten dong anta la kon rai ke ki shar net kon tok dong a shar me kan tok but bana jala chine me chate ni chine me tok na mo chale di chale fiction ken mi sha ko gore alat ka book ba ko cholo novel. Number 8, tradition. Tradition was a chereke culture. Ta xiang ne toga ja dawich. Jen cultural custom and belief passed down through generation. And tradition ta xiang ne toga ja a nika dong ki nika gwandon kien kemadon kien tewal. Shuman tama along with a lat ka ken on wala ken xiang and na xiang and a bachelor tradition. Number 9, heritage. Heritage, practice, tradition or object passed down from the past. Name amulatke chetke de larano tukon ke heritage chetke mishan dorchana laratama. Let's say tukon ke bi ke chan tokukan alam ke yet mititin walalo kan jagandaramo dong bit dong mut charom no walka gwade dan duno shagur no babat la jarom ke bakam generation mo ke bakam dorom banyo kam dorom mo na mo shalade heritage ke dungdun practice amala lat ke ko mi gwade ben bajalat na mo practice tradition or object passed down from the past mi chiwa ba kula romtin anu na me dungdan ko ne ti chiganu dong de te ngwan te kwak gwando ne ken kwak mando ne ken te wal ba kula rom ko shigan babat ta to shalga ke di shalga ke heritage gwa zame muraji nyok dong di rana ti what about obis ngulo damo obis keten content ladite nogi belat shit ke reading there of understanding written word mede do dere lonka queen misha gor shall reading storytelling la kon ga chola leng the activity of sharing stories point they learn ki ngach megoro you want to gain knowledge or skills chola ngai ngwan yen chola learn bdor bi gor bi ngach inspire men jaglo de ko na bunom bi lat to feel someone with urge to do something me jagji ko bdor bi lat kapet ki bunom bi lat ala de ran jogata men jago la na me woji an chaje na lo ladie alo chaje inspire ramamo to feel someone with urge to do something number 5, knowledge gen right ki mit right ka kuidorka let's say information or understanding about something mich dor shi ngaje na mo lede na shwale knowledge antama right kon ka kwitok nuare kana english micha chublodu run shablo ngeni jikeje ko shengaj bilo ngeni radadian chiteka knowledge ke chiteka dor micha ngaj ka kwide chi dor shengaj bi ko nyogo person shale knowledge dor micha cha ngi ke shenen lad ledeje yo chengle lonen guardian chablo ngeni jije bishu jongna la lel ken yo bai jo kan jir buan cha kon ngaj ni wal ke cha nge ke je ke shanen chiteka knowledge jen chale information or understanding about something. Which is ladan dan le dwar ke ci jangaj ba chole nono. A word for communication mugure right jiran. Mugure right, you know. Community akel ka communication. Community nguludemo. Community a group of people with something in common. Kanat ki bon mishangwa kel. Tinyuak ngwana gwakel ba chole community. Share. Share to give something to other or let others know. Awa share a menyuak gane to kokien. Menyuak do gane to kokien. Ki mejug na the no tene ala dong ler na dwar. Te michelin kula la na you are sharing something. To give something memo jaran ka dwar shall share one. No. Number 3, express. Express to show thought or feeling. Express do badan la rodo melara door ala bejore beral jogna na metena bachole express to show some thought or feelings. Okay, again chala express on it to express yourself la du karodo kajo. Number 4, connect. Connect malore jen chere ka mar to join or relate to others. Mamar na ki ne tamar ki mudo bengwane mekuna kuga connect ki kuna jaga jama shwale di shwale connect diran jugno jangne ne ko binero ngach you connect me with him, you connect me with her. Okay, ala to join or relate to others memarian. Engage. Number 5, to participate or be involved. Jina memar role to engage on something metem to bromaten chale engage michirodo jago te lan mtiten choro engage kalat maduka rodo kadwor ke participating on something shwale engage. A word for positivity muguru jengo bi bumuga bela kula teko anob dwar bela take to ngwana gore chitka motivation, the reason for doing something be yikta dwar mo biji motivate on belat. There has to be something that can motivate you. The reason for doing something mugoro budwar bilan man jaggi ko budwar bila da wati ka motivation. Motivation am jag loydu ko budwar bilel bilat ke jag loydu ka tet ko bore ina moka. Hope a feeling of expectation for something good. Ami jigro dun wo take mi gwa mi bitwok ka gwasan be ala tika hope menge the jen go budwar mo gwa batwok ki jigro dun te mi gwa batwok chale hope. Support gwathame to help or assist others. And mulwakin ne to kokin. Mulwagaran ka door, lwagi ka yo, lwagi ka right, lwagi ka ngu, shwale support. To show support or to help somebody or to assist. Namu shwale support. Kon baru dan lwak ka char, kena ruwaini to go to the konang niam. Manda dia. Number 4, gratitude. Gratitude mean thankfulness. Jen chira mi chiloidu cha teeth kamuga mishalat. Iran jog my gratitude chiloida teeth. Thankfulness ke chiloidu cha teeth ka duwar mugwa mishinen ke mishalat. Unity. Number 5, the state of being together or joined. Misha ngwani shaka mat gwa kel ki te sha tuom. De kono shulara no jen e mat ni jen. Mima naro din lo nong naro din e mat. Unity e mat. Example of using this word in sentences. Kende pai konko kwenti. All these 5 words for positivity. Chana example ken chana kenen kieshane kientin chalat gwaseme. I am passionate about teaching and preserving my culture. Reading novel help me connect with my heritage. Language is a beautiful way to express our thought and emotion. I am inspired to share the tradition of thok nath community. Teaching allow me to engage with the younger generation and help them learn. Well, mishi tugane me kadiyo je shirodu jeng matoran tama. Ku gor no jin bijan nywaka nasin ko kien bana nyogo jek kamro dien. Duno linga men gwa ko de dor de jangach. Mugoro dor bi ngach awa bi kokten. Mishi kokten shi bulwanka ngaine. Gore no brodo ngaje no de do lad ni amnat. Okay, brodo ngach ki de do dan de ro ke jen ni amnat bro bishodo lar burun kular bugwa dan le ten bi lar bumen no ko bi lar ta dan guje dai te je bobi larbo nuk du kana bane kimen gor no bal ka to ndial chal kedi introduction ki la do korodo nyamnat bi gorno bi practice bi lat ki biro du gwich and wodi ro do atema karo ado ka ngai dora an bi atega malban yo je gumre den bye bye